So back to the Thai cooking class. And as I said previously, something is wrong with the microphone, which I later found out there was a short in the system. So it's not working, it's all blown out. But at least I got video. That's more important, right? You can see some video. It'd be something just hearing audio and just not seeing any video. But I think most people would at least rather to see parts of Thailand, what goes on a daily basis, and I can still narrate. So there it is. I'm standing here by the meat section, seeing lots of meat there. This is in the Chiang Mai market. Look at that pig right there. Wow. So I'm not sure if this is a central market, but it's a big market. Lots of meats. Right there you see the pigs, different parts that's cut up. That must be quite a job, right? It's not that easy. You need like an electric saw to cut up pork. It can be that tough unless you're really strong. So I was just walking around, checking out the market. Now I'm leaving the meat section. You see lots of greens there. That looks like, what's that? Is that lettuce? To my left. You see lots of lots of green stuff. I think that's cabbage right there. Yeah. That looks like chili peppers. Chili pepper. That's one of the main ingredients in a lot of the Thai dishes. Without chili, you won't have those flavors. Those hot, spicy dishes that those who come to love Thai food would know. Chili, that's what makes it different. You see right here, different type of vegetables. Those look like some eggplants right there, long type. Yeah, got scallions right there. Red peppers, tomatoes. More tomatoes, onions. Mushrooms. They look like mushrooms, right? Mushrooms. Mushrooms. And those are the bananas. Those bananas tend to be very sweet. And these look like limes. See, they had some broccolis there. As I said, we entered the market kind of early. Well, early for us was like maybe close to night, 9 o'clock. So at this time, you don't see that many customers. This was my first full day in Chiang Mai. It was a Thursday, yeah, Thursday morning, because I arrived like the 20th on Wednesday. So that's why the market is not full as yet with people. Look at the eggs. It's funny how they set those eggs, right? The eggs, like how we do here, we put the eggs in the carton. They put the eggs in like a plastic bag. Imagine that. Yeah, your eggs can be broken. So if you're carrying the eggs, you have to be very careful. Within a plastic bag, just like vegetables. They sure got lots of fruits there. More bananas. So this was our first stop before we went on to the Thai cooking class. But after this, I believe we went to like a farm or garden outside the Thai cooking class where they got like different types of vegetables and so forth, like mint, scallions, stuff like that. Some of the various stuff you see. Yeah, I see mangoes, one of my favorite fruits. Mangoes. Sticky rice and mango. I never really made that. I still don't know what to make of that dish, sticky rice and mango. It's not something I grew up with. So maybe somebody can explain to me, what it is about sticky rice and mangoes. Oh, there's escalators there that can take you down. I didn't go down. So they gave us like 10 minutes to walk around and to meet back outside where the van dropped us off. So that's what I'm about to do right now in the video, heading back to the meeting point so we can continue on to the Thai cooking class. Yep, people standing around. That's where we're gonna meet before heading out to the class.